Hey guys, just wanted to show you a quick, easy, yummy recipe. So first you're going to want to cook some French fries. You're also going to want to cook up a package of gravy, just add water kind, really easy. And then you're also going to have to go out and buy some authentic cheese curds. And you're going to have to cook up some nuggets that you buy. So first we'll put some French fries in our bowls. And now this all together took me about 25 minutes, which is pretty quick prep time. Quick, easy meal to make at home for you and the family, and it's really yummy. So I've added the fries. Now we're going to add some nuggets on top, and I cut the nuggets in half just so you get a little less in your bite. Spread those on there nice and even. Okay, now we're going to put our cheese curds on it. Right here, pull that tab. Fingers are greasy. Alright, evenly spread some cheese curds on there, and our gravy's nice and hot, so it's going to melt those curds really good. Open up the next pack. A couple extra on that one. I got skimped. Alright. Sweet. Now we got our curds on there. All we gotta do is pour on the gravy. Quick and easy. That looks delightful. And there you go, guys. Chicken nugget poutine. Hope you like this. If you want to see more of this, subscribe to my channel, All 4 Games, at Chris Rotar. Thanks for watching.